In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select recipients for a Mailchimp email campaign. If you've ever wondered how to control exactly who receives your newsletter or announcement in Mailchimp, this walkthrough will take you from a blank screen to a precisely targeted recipient list. We'll move steadily through the audience and targeting options so your message reaches the right inboxes. Start by opening your Mailchimp account and signing in. Once you're in, head to Campaigns from the main navigation. This is where all of your emails live, whether they're drafts, scheduled, or already sent. If you already have a campaign drafted, open it. Otherwise, create a new one by choosing Create, then Email, and select Regular Email. A regular email is the standard one-time campaign that most teams use for updates and promotions. Inside the campaign builder, look for the Setup panel and open the To field, also labeled the Audience section. This is where you define who gets the message. First, pick your audience. Your account may have one master audience or several, depending on how you organize contacts. Choose the one that fits the message you're sending. For example, the group you use for project updates. Make sure it's the audience that contains the subscribers you intend to reach. Next, click Send To. This opens your recipient options. You can send to all email subscribers in the selected audience, which is great for broad announcements. You can target people by specific tags, which are simple labels you've applied to contacts, ideal for quick groupings like event attendees or customers of a certain product. Or you can choose specific segments, which are saved filters based on conditions such as sign-up source, activity, location, or purchase behavior. Segments are powerful when you need precise targeting and can help improve deliverability and engagement. If you need to fine-tune further, you can optionally exclude people. Use the Do Not Send To option and select a segment or tag to keep those contacts out of this send. This is useful for excluding recent recipients, internal test addresses, or anyone who opted out of a particular topic while remaining subscribed overall. When your selections look right, click Save to lock in your audience and targeting choices. Take a moment to verify the audience name and the number of recipients shown, so you have confidence that the email will reach exactly who you intended. That's it. You've set up your recipients in Mailchimp with control and clarity, paving the way for a focused, effective campaign.